Emulsions. Now we are going to learn about emulsions. Emulsions are liquid-liquid colloidal system. It is formed when a mixture of two immiscible or partially miscible liquids is well shaken. The colloidal system in which the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquid is called an emulsion. In emulsion, generally one of the liquid is water. There are two types of emulsions: oil dispersed in water and water dispersed in oil. In oil dispersed in water, water acts as the dispersion medium, while in water dispersed in oil, oil acts as the dispersion medium. Example for oil dispersed in water is milk, and for the second one the example is butter. These two pictures represents two different types of emulsions. In the first picture, the dispersion medium is water, while in the second picture, the dispersion medium is oil. In the first picture, the oil droplets are dispersed in water. So this is an example for oil in water emulsion. But in the second case, the water droplets are dispersed in oil. So this is an example for water in oil emulsion. Emulsions of oil in water are unstable and sometimes they separate into two layers on standing. For stabilization of an emulsion, a third component called emulsifying agent is usually added. The emulsifying agent forms an interfacial film between suspended particles and the medium. The process of stabilizing an emulsion by means of an emulsifier is called emulsification. The substances that are added to stabilize the emulsion are called emulsifying agents. The examples of emulsifying agents for oil in water emulsions are proteins, gums, natural and synthetic soaps, etc. And the examples for water in oil type are heavy metal salts or fatty acids, long chain alcohols, etc. Now we are going to discuss few applications of colloids. The first application is electrical precipitation of smoke. Air pollution caused by smoke, which is an aerosol, can be controlled by coagulating it by a precipitator called Cottrell precipitator. The smoke, before it comes out from the chimney, is led through a chamber containing plates having a charge opposite to that carried by smoke particles. The particles, on coming in contact with these plates, lose their charge and get precipitated. The particles thus settle down on the floor of the chamber. Another application of colloid is in the purification of drinking water. Water obtained from natural sources may have suspended impurities, and these are removed by its coagulation by adding alum to water. Colloidal medicines are more effective due to its large surface area, which helps in effective assimilation. Another application of colloid is in the tanning industry. Animal skin, which has positively charged colloidal particles, is made hard by the mutual coagulation of its particles by soaking it in tannin, which contain negatively charged particles. The process of hardening of leather is called tanning. Colloids find several applications in industry as well as in daily life. Soaps and detergents are most frequently used as emulsifiers. Many industrial products such as paints, ink, synthetic plastics, rubber, cement, etc. are colloidal solutions. Photographic plates or films are prepared by coating an emulsion of light sensitive silver bromide in gelatin over glass plates.